My head is buzzing. It's screaming to explode. In this kind of moments, something has to come, something has to save me. And something came. As I stepped out of the ferry and walked on rainy Helsinki, the weight of my chest lifted.
Maybe a month. Then I dropped it. I was supposed to put the camera on the table, but I put it straight to the floor. No, it's okay.
As the raindrops were falling from clouds to my shoes, my anxiety was removed from my lungs and disappeared in the sky. I walked slowly. I ate a pastry. I felt wet and found the city kind of grey. A woman traveler from the Facebook group Host's Sister opened her door to me for one night, and the voice she gave me for my documentary changed everything. I have learned the hardest lesson within the first week of my adventure, and this girl is helping me recover from it. She gives me the key to start healing. We speak for hours in the sauna. We cook, sing together in the night, walk on the damp moss. With this key she gave me, I feel ready to go north again. Hitchhiking in Finland starts actually quite badly, but I eventually find good souls, especially one. A guy driving around Europe on his own, sleeping in a tent and cooking on the stove. He had a terrible accident 12 years ago and now he can't use his legs anymore. Still, he's exploring the world. You also like to cook?
Yeah, I don't know if you put it is either.
That is YouTube.
So yeah.
And what is this documentary that you're making?
Go meet like to be myself traveling. Because the girl he met was like not a good example of
So, here I'm back, hitchhiking. Actually, it's the last time I'm hitchhiking before a little while, because I'm going to a workaway in Lapland.
Lapland is welcoming me gracefully with pines and reindeers. And I feel free. I now need to stay put for a bit and find some pause in a volunteer in the house, with collecting mushrooms and doing work in the house. Here I am enjoying my little hike for the day, and I got invested with a mission, picking
mushrooms on the way. So I took a bus from my workaway's place to go a little further in the forest, and I'm doing a hike on what they call the Arctic Circle hiking trail. So that's super exciting because I'm currently just about the Arctic Circle. I think somehow like some gods heard me, because yesterday I got a message from a workawayer that lives 50 kilometers from here and needed like an extra last minute help for training huskies for the winter. So looks like I'm gonna train dogs. Woohoo! Basically the work there is gonna be way tougher and way more demanding than the one I had in the other place. So you might be wondering, why do I change? Why do I leave a life of comfort and freedom for a schedule with like waking up at 7 and picking up dog poop and like also training them and like petting them and playing with them? Because I really wanted to come to Lapland like all this way for a specific reason of like getting to know what main features of Lapland are about, and I feel that working with dogs and especially like further away from the city might allow me to like get to know the culture of Finland and Lapland more specifically, more deeply. So yeah, I think it's more interesting for me, and yeah, I'm really excited to start. I like to rest, but I also like to be involved in something.
So I reached the northest point of my trip.
So we're leaving Piteå, and we've been hitchhiking for half an hour now. And actually 5 cars stopped for us, but they were going north and we were going south.
My best friend joined me for a little bit and our feet pointed south again. Hello! My research for women travelers continues. We crossed the whole country this time to meet Nina, who lives in the mountain raising her huskies. She travels 8 to 10 months per year since 15 years, hiking and camping, one mountain range at a time.
Here we're off from this wonderful place, which is in the middle of nowhere in Sweden, and we're heading south now to another nice place that we hope we're gonna get tonight. It's really far, so it's once again a big day of hitchhiking ahead.
Along this part, I interviewed 5 women. 5 inspiring travelers. The project was launched, I could feel it. My path was on the right track, and I would find other women to give a voice to.
No, I'm not feeling scared.
It was also all men who helped me as well, just saying.
I feel like you just have to find that place where you get stuck.
Yeah. But then I was also out in the winter conditions, when it's like minus 40 degrees, staying in a tent.
I just feel doubted because of the fact that I'm a woman.